Hi, good morning. Donald Trump, leave the fucking Haitian people alone, Dread. Leave them. Why would you go and fuck with these? When you enter the White House, they should have told you about climate change, the economy, gas price, the war in Iraq, and also don't fuck with the Haitian people, Dread. You ever been to Eastern Parkway or the Labor Day Parade when that Haitian band coming down and 2 million fucking Haitian people they're talking about, "Qu'en pasote, woy! Qu'en pasote, woy! Qu'en pasote!" Or however the song go. Y'all know the song I'm talking about. Donald Trump, you're a fucking idiot. Donald Trump, I live in Flatbush with all the Haitian people, Dread. I know that man crazy. That man don't fight with guns and knives and bullets. And that man just walk around with powder in their pocket. Yeah? That man gonna make you turn into a fucking chicken in the morning, Dread. Leave the fucking Haitian people alone, Dread. Oh, scunt old man. Donald Trump, you are fucking boozing, man. Caca. Mesa me, man. Fucking. You gonna make these Haitian people get mad.